Finding the right storage solution for your tools doesn't have to be complicated. A high-quality, compact toolbox can make all the difference in keeping your workspace organized and efficient. In this video, we'll explore the best mini toolboxes on the market, each offering unique features for a variety of needs. From durability to portability, let's dive into what makes these toolboxes stand out and why they're a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. The DEWALT DWAN 2190 Tough Case Toolbox is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, space-saving solution for organizing small tools and accessories. With its compact design and 8 compartments, this toolbox offers the perfect balance of portability and organization. The patented bit bar design allows for easy removal and customizable placement of bits, ensuring that your tools are always within reach and neatly arranged. One of the standout features is the clear lid, which gives you an immediate view of the contents without having to open the case, saving time and hassle during your projects. The clip latch keeps everything securely closed, providing peace of mind while transporting or storing your tool. As part of the Tough Case Plus system, it connects seamlessly with other Tough Case Plus units, allowing you to expand your storage as needed. Though small, this toolbox is perfect for keeping loose bits, screws, and small accessories organized in a convenient, compact space. While it doesn't offer advanced water resistance or heavy-duty protection, its affordability and efficient design make it a top pick for DIYers and professionals alike. If you're in the market for a well-priced, functional, and compact tool organizer, the DEWALT DWAN 2190 Tough Case Organizer is a clear winner. The TRUSCO Mountain Toolbox stands out as an excellent option for those in need of a compact and durable storage solution. Made from high-quality alloy steel, this toolbox offers impressive durability, making it ideal for both professional use and everyday DIY projects. Its compact design, measuring 14.2 by 5.9 by 4.8 inches, provides ample space for organizing smaller tools and accessories, while still being lightweight enough to carry around with ease. What sets the TRUSCO toolbox apart is its thoughtful design features. The convex lid allows easy closure even when tools are raised inside, ensuring the box remains secure and compact. Additionally, it is compatible with a 1.0-inch cylinder lock for added security, which is a great option for keeping tools safe on the go. The toolbox also offers water resistance, giving it some protection against light moisture, though it's not fully waterproof. With a customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, this toolbox has garnered praise for its functionality and sturdiness. At $34.79, it offers great value for anyone seeking a reliable, portable solution for organizing their tools. If you're looking for a high-quality, compact toolbox that stands up to tough use, the TRUSCO Mini Toolbox is an excellent choice. The Big Red Portable Metal Toolbox offers a remarkable blend of durability, functionality, and portability, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable storage solution for their tool. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat finish, this toolbox ensures long-lasting protection against wear and tear, perfect for daily use in workshops, garages, or job sites. Its compact size provides ample space for organizing essential tools, yet it remains lightweight and easy to carry with its comfortable hand grip. One of its standout features is the heavy-plated metal latch, ensuring your tools stay securely stored even during transport. The toolbox's simple design allows for easy access to your tools, whether at home or on the job. While it's not the largest storage option available, its practical size and robust construction make it ideal for smaller tool sets or everyday use. Although it's a bit on the smaller side compared to other larger toolboxes, the Big Red Torin toolbox excels in portability and reliability. Its solid build and easy-to-carry design make it a perfect fit for mechanics or DIY enthusiasts looking for a compact and durable option at an affordable price. Whether for home use or on the go, it delivers the essentials for keeping tools organized and secure. The WORKPRO 13-inch tool bag stands out as a top choice for anyone in need of a compact, durable, and highly functional tool storage solution. This tool bag combines premium materials with thoughtful design to provide exceptional performance. Constructed from 600D polyester fabric, it offers excellent resistance to wear and tear, ensuring it holds up to the demands of daily use. With a spacious 13-inch wide opening, reinforced with steel, accessing your tools has never been easier or more efficient. What truly sets the WORKPRO tool bag apart is its versatile organization feature. Inside, you'll find 5 pockets to keep your tools neatly arranged, while the exterior provides 3 additional pockets and 1 large front pocket with a snap closure, offering ample space for accessories. The padded bottom provides extra protection for your tools, reducing the risk of damage during transport. For added convenience, the tool bag comes with padded carrying handles, making it comfortable to carry even when fully loaded. Its compact design makes it an ideal choice for home, automotive, or job site use. The WORKPRO tool bag also supports a noble cause, as a portion of the proceeds goes towards supporting breast cancer research through the Pink Ribbon Initiative. If you're looking for a reliable, organized, and stylish tool bag, the WORKPRO 13-inch tool bag is a standout option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The PLANO Grab-and-Go toolbox with tray sets a new standard for compact tool storage, offering a blend of durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. With its 16-inch size, the toolbox provides ample space for your most essential tools while maintaining a manageable, portable form factor. The addition of a lift-out tray makes organizing and accessing tools effortless, while the two clear, removable organizers in the lid keep small parts neatly separated for quick retrieval. The toolbox is constructed from tough plastic, ensuring long-lasting durability while remaining lightweight enough for easy transport. Its low-profile design in graphite gray and black not only looks sleek but also maximizes storage efficiency without compromising on strength. The heavy-duty latches and ergonomic handle further enhance the user experience, ensuring secure closure and comfortable handling during transport. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this toolbox is versatile enough to handle home improvement, automotive repairs, or general maintenance tasks. Its spacious interior and smart organization options make it a valuable addition to any workshop or garage. While the PLANO Grab-and-Go may not have the high-tech features of some larger tool storage options, it delivers where it counts: reliable, everyday functionality. For those in need of a durable, compact, and efficient storage solution, this toolbox offers exceptional value. The KRO-MILS plastic toolbox offers an ideal balance of durability, functionality, and versatility, making it one of the best choices for anyone seeking a reliable storage solution. With its 14-inch length, 8.125-inch width, and 8.125-inch height, this toolbox provides ample space for a variety of tools, craft supplies, or even first aid essentials. The sturdy construction is made from industrial-grade plastic, ensuring that the Pro Box withstands daily wear and tear while maintaining its structural integrity. One of its standout features is the lift-out tray, which allows for easy access to smaller items, helping users stay organized and efficient. Additionally, the Pro Box includes two removable organizers, perfect for separating and securing small parts, making it a great option for hobbyists and professionals alike. The toolbox also boasts a steel latch with an oversized padlock eye, providing added security to protect your tools and valuables. The box's comfortable handle ensures portability, allowing you to carry it with ease. Whether you're storing hand tools, fishing gear, or craft supplies, this toolbox offers a reliable solution for various needs. Its transparent design adds a layer of convenience as you can quickly identify the contents. Overall, the KRO-MILS Pro Box is a well-rounded, practical toolbox that combines durability, security, and organization, making it an excellent choice for any project. The DEWALT TSTAK toolbox raises the bar for tool storage solutions, offering a combination of size, durability, and practical design. This extra-large toolbox is perfect for those who need more than just basic organization. It's built to store heavy-duty tools while keeping everything neatly arranged. With its bi-material handle, the TSTAK is easy and comfortable to carry, even when fully loaded. The top organizer with fixed dividers ensures that smaller tools and accessories are just as easily accessible, making it ideal for drills, bits, and other essentials. What truly sets the TSTAK apart is its stackable design, allowing you to connect multiple units for a customized, space-efficient storage system. Whether you're organizing your garage or transporting tools across job sites, the durable side latches make stacking and carrying effortless. While it's not fully water-resistant, the toolbox provides debris resistance to protect your tools from the element. The heavy-duty metal latches and rugged build guarantee long-term use, making this toolbox a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, the TSTAK has earned its place as a top-tier option. Though slightly heavy, its size and functionality make it a solid investment for anyone looking to organize large tools effectively. For those who want durability, space, and versatility, the DEWALT TSTAK is a standout choice.